So I have a lot of plushies, and it is definitely not a problem. I repeat, it is not a problem. Absolutely no problem at all. There is definitely not too many plushies, and I definitely don't buy too many. Hello, so today I'm going to try and organise all my plushies. I have an awful lot of them, and thinking about moving out in the hopefully not too distant future, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them all. Probably bring them with me because they're amazing and they bring me joy, but I've been staring at them from my bed because it's like they're looking like what should I do with them? How should I organise them? Because there's not really much of a pattern. I sort of have a lot of my minty ones on the other sofa and then my bright green ones over here, but like, should I organise them by colour or by like type or brand, or do I make them symmetrical? Do I not make them symmetrical? So I might just chuck them all on my bed and start from scratch. I'm not going to touch any of the ones on my bed because they're kind of the random ones, or the ones I like to huggle, or my Squishmallow hammock, which actually collapsed and landed on me, which was fun. But excuse me, is that really necessary? See what I mean? They're just everywhere. They're falling off. But I'm kind of excited to look at all of them. I'm a little worried that there could be like a massive spider underneath these somewhere, because that happened once. I sat down on this sofa and then the biggest spider in the world appeared, and I was like, yeah, we're not. Don't know what happened to it. Hopefully it's long dead, because that was 2 years ago now. It still sticks in my mind. But yes, so first step is to remove all the plushies and create the ultimate plushie pile. For my massive pickles. Look at it! I got it for Christmas from my boyfriend. It's amazing. I love it. These two lived on my college bag, so they're kind of dirty and I need to wash them, but slay. You've seen my Hoover. It's also pink and it has eyelashes. Kevin the carrot. Katie the carrot. That was a good shot. You just need to. Crinkly elephant. That was a terrible shot. It might just be easier to pick them up from this distance, to be honest. Okay, so I'm thinking, I kind of want to do it by colour, but at the same time, I want to have like all my dinosaurs together and all my frogs together. So I might do dinosaurs and frogs, and then everything else can just be by colour. Aside from the Kevin the carrots, I don't think I need them. I should probably get rid of them. I got them at I think I got one for Christmas, and then the other one I got at the car boot sale. But they're not the giant Kevin the carrot, so I don't see the point of having a Kevin the carrot. So I might add that on my car boot list. Things to add to our car boot pile to get rid of them. So that's what I'm thinking. So I think first things first is to start on the dinosaurs. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna get all the dinosaurs here, and then I'll sort it out later. Oh, I just dropped one. Did I pick it up? I think I did. Okay. Right. Yeah. I feel like the big one needs to go first, but it's so big. Do I put it in the How do I do this? I have a few Plushies, dinosaur Plushies, which I really like. So they really need to go together. Like, he's a bit dirty because once again he was on my bag. I took him off eventually because I went to Ireland and I thought I can't go through airport security with like 5 different Squishmallows and plushie key rings on my bag. So I only have like 2 things on there now, which is a bit of a shame, but it is a bit more convenient. So you can go there. Okay, then I have a Squishmallow dinosaur. That fits in quite nicely there. And these 2 little ones. Oh, I don't know what. Oh. I feel like these need to be together, but then, yeah. Probably take the tag off that. It was £7.50 for this. I really wanted the pink dinosaur that they had, but that was like 30 quid or something stupid, and I was like, I'm not paying 30 quid for a dinosaur like this size. So, yeah. My bad, I forgot this one. It's a dragon, so I don't necessarily know if it counts as a dinosaur, but like for the next part of the sofa, I think I'm gonna do like my rainbow ones and the minty ones after all because they go well together. What can I say? Yeah, I picked up this for how much was it? 15 quid, and it was like, it was down from like 25, and it was Claire's. I think I got it in Belfast, which is cool. They had a good plushie sale going on in there. I can't remember how many I ended up with, but my suitcase was full. So these are the other minty ones that I have. This is a Squishmallow, but I can't fit him on my whale shelf, and I can't really fit him in the hammock. So he's gonna go over here and join these fellows. I love this so much. It is a platypus. It's rainbow, it's soft, and like, I can put it like there like it's a baby. This Care Bear, I'm thinking of getting rid of it because I don't really collect Care Bears. I got car boots out, so it wasn't very much. But I'm thinking about it. This is the imposter Plushie. Looks like a Plushie. Smells like a Plushie. It is a Plushie, but it's not a dinosaur Plushie, so it can just sit there as an imposter. So like, this was from Claire's and it was really expensive, but like, it's beautiful. So I got it. I was on holiday and then I spent way too much money. But slay. Autism. It's frog time. I'm gonna put the frogs in the middle of this sofa and it's gonna be beautiful. So Pickles can sit next to Pickles. Pickles, you can also sit next to Pickles. I want this a bit higher up, but like, that might the Pickles throne. No. No, I can do this. I may just have to bury it behind them. Oh well. I forgot another dinosaur. Look. It flips. Staying as this side. Gonna pose it. I believe these are most of my frogs now. Me and my boyfriend have matching Build-A-Bears. I have a frog. He has a cow. I got him for Christmas. I forgot about another dinosaur. This one was also off my bag. Once again, very dirty. I'm the only one, aside from the squish one, of this exact Squishmallow that I have. And I've been looking for it forever and I never find it. And now it's like one of the first series, so if I ever see it again. This bootleg Plushie cushion should probably go behind the Plushie. Even though it's bootleg, it's still a Plushie. Plushie. I have another bootleg Plushie. Where should I put the bootleg Plushie? With the Plushie. I have these two and they are so soft, and they were on sale in like the Entertainer, and I had to get them because like they were down from like 25 quid to like 5 quid, and I was like, yeah, that's mine, that's mine. And now I have like loads of them, and they're gorgeous, they're so soft. Don't know what the hell they are, but they're soft and bright green, so I got them. You can see more of the pickles now because I put one of the cushions down. I have baby ones of them, and they've got like a weighted bottom, and it's just so fun. So you can go over there, you can go there. I might leave these till the end, just because I feel like they need to be slightly more forward because they're quite small. So I'll put something else there. I have a narwhal, obviously it does not fit on my whale shell, so it's been on the sofas the whole time. Where do I put it? So I have this, it's a hand warmer, put your hands in it. Maybe I should keep this in my bed? I can't figure out where to put it because it's kind of soft. I can keep my hands warm. I don't know. Okay, I think these are the last things I have. I'm not entirely sure if this is an improvement or not. I do absolutely adore this Squishmallow. But I'm happy with this section, to be honest. This side I'm not too happy with, but I don't know what else to do. I feel sort of like the purple is throwing off the vibe. So I might try and move them over there. Just because I have more purple over there, I feel like that might work better. So I'm gonna try that and hope it fixes whatever vibe failing this is failing. I think that might have done it. Because there's purple I mean this is a purple blanket back here, the Plushies blanket, but there's like more of the purple crochet blanket visible on that sofa, so I might just think I've done it. I don't know what I'm doing with the Kevin the Carrot, but I plan on getting rid of them, I guess. So, yeah. And now I have the axolotl and the anglefish, or whatever, the anglerfish, you know, the one, together, so I've got a bit of a theme. It's nice. I'm happy. I'm just gonna have a little look. Well, this is frustrating. I feel like I'm lacking a bit of pink right here. So I guess I'm gonna have to buy a new plushie. What a shame. I mean, I could bring down a Squishmallow, but we'll see what happens next time I get a new plushie. You never know.